Hello everyone, and again welcome back to our channel. And today as usual we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can block someone on your Tinder. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So you will simply just go to your Tinder app first, make sure it's updated and you're logged in with the correct ID where you would like to avoid somebody or would like to block somebody. And once your Tinder app is open, then you will see this profile icon below right corner. Tap on that icon, and here you will simply tap on this setting option above. Tap on it, and you will just scroll down until you find an option called block contacts. Simply tap on it, and here all of your phone contacts will be loaded. So what you will do is simply tap in the search bar and search whoever you would like to block, and you can just once you search that particular contact will be there, you can simply tap on that contact and tap on this block one contact option. Tap on it, and the good thing about this is you can choose multiple contacts at the time, and you can simply tap on this block contact option and you can see success, the contact has been blocked. So we'll simply tap on this block contact option again, and you will tap on this blocked option, and here you can see the person is blocked. So yeah, this is how you can block somebody from your contacts on your Tinder app easily. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.